Fayetteville, Arkansas climate summary is of 9 a.m. February 15th, 2025. There may be in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison. WNG 608 serves the people. In northeastern Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles southwest of Narcissa, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Grove, Fairland, Afton, Narcissa, Honey Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 294 and 304.
Yes, we are.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Benton County in northwestern Arkansas until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Newell, moving southeast at 60
IEM
miles
bot just
per
went
hour.
off. I'm like, holy crap, what is it?
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Rogers.
Oh, this is it. This is it. This is coming from
P Ridge, Gravid, Cave Springs, Highfill, Hiawassee, Miller, Centerton, Avoca, Vaughan. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 82 and 93. Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, northwestern Madison County in northwestern Arkansas, northeastern Washington County in northwestern